Hello everyone, Bradley Sward here. In this video is the 2022 Advent of Code Day 6 solution for the problem otherwise known as tuning trouble. Let's get right to it. You're basically given a string of data and you need to find the position or the point of how many characters in you need to go before you reach a subset where the previous four letters don't have a duplicate in there. Like in this case here, you go, oh, the first four letters are B, V, W, B. That gets you the number 4 here. And then when I move over, because that has duplicate B's, we got to keep going. But then the next one over, V, W, B, J, there's nothing there that indicates that there's two of the same letter. So the fifth character in is where this lies. And so you already see the solution to my problem here. But let me show you the code that gets this done. Here, and there we go. It's not even a lot of code, and I probably could even reduce this more, right? And so reading the file today was very simple, just a one-liner, just to get the one line of data in, and then saying I need a length of 4 to get this thing done. So I set up a vector, almost basically a queue, if you want to think of it that way, or a list. I'm sorry, a list here that's basically like a queue. And I just go in and I just put the newest letter in and take the old letter out. And then just check to see if I take the set of that, do I get whatever, in this case, 4 letters. Like basically, if there's a duplicate, then the set would have 3 or 2 or 1. And so then I know that I can either continue or not. And then I need to make sure that, because I'm adding spaces to start, that space isn't one of those characters. And so when I add that, it kind of goes ahead through there. And if I find that, I print out, I break, the program's done. And you can see here 1275 will pop up just like before. And so that's part 1. And then what's kind of cool about this, wait, where did my data go? Where did my code go? And so now for part 2, all I have to do is just add this one character in here and just say 14, change 4 to 14, run it again. I think that's the cool part about this. And there's 3605, which matches the 3605 I would get just by changing one character in my program. That's pretty darn cool. And so that's my solution for this problem. If you have any questions or if you know a better way, I always want to know. I know I can can reduce a couple lines of code there for sure. But thanks for sticking it out with me as always. Hope to see you guys day 7. Take care. See you then.